Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I set up this photo, which I've entitled Duel on Mandalore. That's also the name of the Lego set itself. I didn't get very creative with this one. Before I could shoot, I had to build the set. There's always been something very cathartic to me about building Lego, almost meditative. It's somehow relaxing and exciting at the same time. With the set built, it was time to set up the shot. This was a very simple setup. I simply placed the Lego front and center so it took up most of the frame. I used a magnifying filter on my camera so I could get my lens nice and close to the minifigs. I used blue and red gels on my lights to replicate the lightsaber glow, and then I positioned a spray painted egg carton as my background. The final touch was a small puck light to illuminate the window behind the throne. Here's my starting image. There wasn't a whole lot to edit on this one. I started by making sure everything was nice and straight before adding some adjustment layers to alter the light levels, color balance, hue, and saturation. Next, I cropped the image and edited out the bits of the coaster visible under the Lego set. After that, I used the pen tool to create paths around the lightsaber blades so that I could color them in and make them glow. Lastly, I created a vignette and did some dodging on the minifigs to make their faces and detailing pop a bit more. And here's the final image. Where we started, and where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.